Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore timeouts and keep alive settings for Nginx, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore timeouts and keep alive settings for Nginx, begin by accessing your server via SSH. Ensure that you have super user privileges to make changes to the Nginx configuration files. Open the Nginx main configuration file, typically located at /etc/nginx/nginx.conf. Use a text editor such as Nano or Vim to edit the file. Search for the existing timeout settings in the configuration. These settings may include client_body_timeout, client_header_timeout, keepalive_timeout, and send. If these settings are missing or set incorrectly, you can add or modify them. For example, set client_body_timeout to a value that suits your application, such as 60 seconds. Similarly, adjust client_header_timeout to an appropriate value, like 60 seconds as well. Next, set the keepalive_timeout to enable persistent connections, which can improve performance. A common setting for keepalive_timeout is 75 seconds. Now, verify that the send_timeout is also configured correctly, such as 60 seconds. Once all changes are made, save and close the configuration file. To ensure there are no errors in your configuration, run the command nginx. If there are no issues, reload Nginx to apply the new settings. Use the command system to reload Nginx or service Nginx reload depending on your system. Finally, monitor your server to confirm that the new timeout and keep alive settings are functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.